right, so another new feature is an output, and soon we'll have output generators, by the way, which will help a lot to produce these. This was my last one without a generator. And this is called the email reply output. So you could fill your collection with material. In this case, these are make-believe human resource papers or rules that just summarize some of the company's human resources regulations. And then when you set up this email reply output, you can give it a title, obviously, give it a prompt to help format and deal with the incoming email the way you want. And then you could put a signature here to come at the end. And of course, just like before, you have to fill in all of the email box settings and activate it. Now, one of the new features here is you can do it in different voices. So we're going to do, just different ones for the heck of it. We'll cover that in a moment. And then you could obviously set it to check the email box every half hour or whatnot. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit it, and let's see. Oh, I should put the voice here. I see it has the signature but not the voice. Let me go change that. All right, so in this case, you see it's in the voice of a pirate. Now, what's going to happen is someone in my test sends an email to this particular box, and when it comes in, it just sits there. But if this is set to check every 30 minutes or whatever, it will get it. Once it gets it, it then compares it to the existing documents to search and find matching documents, and then builds a response based off that. So if I click check email, and it's pretty quick because of Grok, but let me pause for a moment to get my email reader. All right, so you then just get a reply, and it just sends it back to the user, or replies to the user, the emailer, as expected. I'm just catching these locally because right now I'm going to push it up right now, and I'm just working locally. All right, so let's do another voice to see how that works. Let's delete this and go back to here and click edit. All right, now it's in the voice of Bart Simpson. And I paused it because it shows my password and I just don't want to deal with it. And now if we, again, just to check, force a check to that email that's just sitting there, because I don't delete it. I just turn that setting off for now. But later on it will mark it as red so it doesn't keep replying to the same email. So yeah, right away you see. Now right away is interesting because if you look in the queue, that particular job, and this is because Grok is so fast, but that particular job does run a batch, which does do some interesting things where it queries a database, makes an embedding, which is Olama, and in my case, and then it takes that and it just summarizes it based off what it found. So it's pretty, I mean, it's not as intense as searching every single document and then responding. So I would hit Grok like 20 times or whatever, 15, but still quite a bit. All right, getting really fast. So yeah, that just shows you the different ways it can be used. Of course, you could use a real HR voice or a marketing voice. Maybe it's a marketing box or support, where, of course you want the person to get help right away, but if something could be done quicker or more quickly at first with automation, it's worth a try. All right, that's it.